Alright guys, this is Eric with Heritage Ford, and today we're going to take a point of view test drive of the 2020 Ford Escape SE. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to go over about this vehicle is that it's the second trim in the 2020 line of Escapes. The first being the S, second. This one is the SE, then you have the SEL, and then the Titanium. Now, in all the 2020 Escapes is a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine. What I'm going to do here is throw it in sport mode and go up this hill and see what this engine sounds like when it's really running. Keep in mind this vehicle also has curve control. That's going to shift the G's of your turn to the outer wheels so you don't feel as much sway as you turn, and I just felt it there. I hope you heard that engine. It's sounding very nice. It is turbocharged. It's 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine with auto start and stop technology. I have mine off, but when you turn it on, I'm gonna see if you can hear it. There, the engine just went off, and seamlessly as I hit my foot to the gas, it turns right back on. So I'm gonna shift this back to normal driving, and you can actually see you get a slightly different engine sound there, and I like it. The sport mode makes it more responsive. When you hit that gas, you hear that vroom, and when you turn that wheel and you get that response, the suspension is tighter, the RPMs are held longer. It's very nice. And actually coming up on this next stretch of road, I'm gonna put it into Eco drive mode. Actually coaches you to drive more economically, which is going to save you money and get you better gas mileage. So as we go toward this long stretch of road, we're gonna drive it in Eco. Now, if you can hear that, oh, that's nice. You actually get a slightly different engine sound from this. If you see on the panel inside there, you have driver assist, you have music, you can connect a device, then you have a nice just picture of your car. Now, a couple things I want to show you as we make our way back. I'm going to go back into normal. Oh, wow. Silence. That's auto start and stop. That is something I did not think I would love, but I'm an avid music listener inside my car. I sometimes even sit in it for 20 minutes longer just to listen to music, and that makes it completely silent. I love that. I really do. Now we're gonna keep going here. All right, as we approach the dealership, I'm gonna tell you a couple things. This is the Sync 3 Entertainment Center and Communication Center. And what that does is it enables hands-free driving while having a entertaining experience as much as you can without your hands all over it. Couple things in there: driver assist, lane keeping system, pre-collision assist with active braking, rear view camera, blind spot information system or BLIS, with cross traffic alert and pedestrian detection, driver alert in case you're sleepy, and traction control. That all comes standard in the SE trim of the 2020 Escape. And as we approach the dealership again. I'm going to get out and give you a once-over of this vehicle. Oh yeah, very nice.